are living. The daughter is totally addicted to her mobile. She spends most of the time in playing video games. So now I am taking you to the house of that daughter.
Hey, have you seen my mobile phone? I am searching it for since morning. How long I am talking and she is not even paying me the slightest attention at all. Now, hurry up and come for breakfast.
Hey, who's that man?
I am your dad, your father.
Don't come in front of me. Call me on WhatsApp.
So, now to ask you what you want for breakfast, should I come in WhatsApp?
Yeah, you tell me the menu. I reply. You supply. Hi, sweetie.
Hey, who is that foreigner in phone?
Yes, she is sweetie dad.
I am your dad. Have you ever asked me if I ever had my food? When I talk with you, you should look at my face and not in Facebook.
No problem. Give me a request at Facebook. I will accept it as a friend and we will chat for long.
What request? I don't know what to do with you. I am worried about your life. I am worried about your life. What if your life becomes dark?
See, you talked about darkness, the power went off.
Hey, now without taking any candles, what are you doing?
Candle? I am playing Candy Crush.
It's better that I go and die rather than have her as my daughter.
Then now, what's the problem? Power will come now.
No, the power won't come for 2 consecutive days as there is some major work regarding electric poles in our area.
Are you serious, Dad?
Yes, I am serious.
Oh my god, I need to charge my phone. What will I do now? Power bank has less charge. Why can't you tell this earlier?
Oh God, look at my daughter. She is behaving weirdly. I am worried about her. What should I do now? Hi. Thank God you came at the right time. Look at my daughter. She is behaving weirdly after knowing that the power is cut off for 2 days. I am worried. What should I do?
Oh, is it? There is a Reoptech Center for Mobilism. Let's take her there.
Fine. Let's go immediately.
We will take the charger.
Is there any new case for the center today?
Yes, doctor. One man came with his daughter.
Call him inside.
Hi doctor, how are you?
Hello, I am doing great. Yes, come. Who are they?
He is my friend and his daughter.
Hello, doctor. She is my daughter and she is addicted to a mobile phone. After knowing that the power is cut off for 2 days, she is behaving weirdly.
Oh, is it? I will check. Before all of that, all of you keep your phone switched off and keep it in that bin.
You mean dustbin? Why, doctor?
If you want your daughter alright, just keep it there. Go keep your mobile in that bin.
Me? No, wait.
Go keep it there and come here.
If I keep there, will you give me a charger?
Okay, I will give you. Go keep and come. Did you keep it there?
Yes, doctor, I kept.
No lie. What is this?
This is for watching movie. I can't sleep without watching movie every night.
Now I will show you a very interesting movie. Now go keep it there and come back. You may leave now. Come back after 1 hour.
So, will you call us or WhatsApp, doctor?
Why can't you come personally? I told so many times stop depending on phone and you are still expect for call or message. It's your daughter, right? First you stop depending on phone. First your daughter, then phone.
Thank you, doctor. We will come after 1 hour.
Okay, fine. Go and bring those patients here.
All together or one by one, doctor?
No, we need everyone together. This pillow is completely damaged. We need to check it.
Doctor, who are they?
They are your friends.
Hello, how are you? I was thinking of meeting you.
Doctor, I thought he was talking to me.
No, he's a Bluetooth addict. In a day, 20 hours he was talking on Bluetooth. And now he imagines someone talking to him and he's talking to himself non-stop.
Oh my god. Doctor, who is she? She is very smart.
Shall we take selfie? Come, come. Turn this side. Turn that side. Okay. The stars are falling down. Let's take a selfie.
Doctor, please help me.
Come, come. Don't worry. She's a selfie addict. Her face is normal. Only by taking selfies, she's become like a joker.
So sad. What happened to him, doctor?
First tell him you liked his profile picture on Facebook.
Hi, buddy. I like your profile picture on Facebook.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much.
He is a college guy. His main job is to update profile pictures and request for likes. And by requesting so much, he became like this. If no one likes his picture, he becomes more angry and starts crying.
Doctor, what happened to him? See, his fingers are trembling, especially the thumb.
How did you type on the phone?
Like this, doctor.
He is addicted to that. He forgot talking to people and he chats. Try talking to him.
Hi, bro. How are you?
MFINEBRO.
What's that, bro? What's that English?
He is telling that he is fine and how are you, bro? With only SMS language in his brain and he is unable to talk properly.
Oh my god, I chat with my friends a lot.
Definitely, you will become that.
BRB.
Be right back.
OMG.
Oh my god.
LOL.
Laugh out loud.
HAND.
Have a nice day.
Yes, nice game. Yes.
What happened to
Nice
him,
game.
doctor?
He is a video game addict. He spends most of the time in playing video games, so he become like that. Now he imagining that he is playing and screams out of the game. Do you play games?
Yes, doctor. I have a timetable at home to play which game at what time.
Very soon you will also be like that.
Really, doctor?
Definitely you will be.
Doctor, what happened to him? He is looking so tense.
Whenever his phone loses his battery, he does like that.
Man, do you have charger? Anyone have charger? Oh no.
My condition is also same. I also need 5G power.
So after seeing all this, what is running in your mind?
I understood how much I have addicted to this phone. Now I want to come out of this addiction. So please help me, doctor.
We also knowingly or unknowingly addicted to it. We should overcome it.
Thank you, doctor. You realize.
We will not use cell phones unnecessarily.
We will not use cell phones unnecessarily.
We will control the usage of the cell phones.
We will control the usage of cell phones.
We will not make mobile to control our brain.
We will not make mobile to control our brain.
Thank you.
Wow, that was indeed a fantastic performance.